Welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine in the sunshine. There you go. It's a rain. I didn't even know it. So this week's episode, I'm going to give you an update on my vines and my wine making. It's been months that it's been maturing in the carboy, and I'm finally going to get to take that from one carboy into its final resting place, where it'll still take another, 3 to 6 months before I'll be drinking it, but I'll bring you along on the way. So let's have a look at the vines. So this vine here, it's between 4 and 5 years old now. And this one is inside the greenhouse in just a brick surround that I made. So it's got a good bit of soil around it. Filled that up with manure, fish blood and bone, everything basically, right mix in there. You can even see some perlite in there and some strutch on the top. It's already starting to produce. You can see some grapes there, and it's given us a good canopy across the side of the greenhouse, all the way down the bottom. Some really good grapes showing there. Obviously they're only tiny at the minute, and it does actually fork off into two. So this one here goes down that side of the greenhouse, and this one here forks off and goes all the way down to the bottom. Then I've got the other grape vine, so they're both Pinot Noir. They're both the same age, so between 4 and 5 year old now. This one is, and if you haven't seen the video, I'll drop a link in over here and you can go and see it, where I actually dug through the bottom of the greenhouse floor, the concrete, and into the soil. And this one was replanted direct into the soil. So this one, yes, it's showing. Yes, there's some grapes showing there, but there's a lot less foliage. Some of it hasn't even got anything on yet. Some of it has just got small buds. There we go. But they do say when you disturb a vine, it may take a while to recover. So it'd be good to hear in the comments if anyone thinks that's the case, or whether I'm not going to get anything. I don't think I'm going to get much this year, but I'm hoping it'll take a year to recover from being disturbed, and then it'll come back to life next year. But if not, I'll probably get away with just the one vine in this greenhouse anyway, because I've trained this one to split off into two and go down, so I can manufacture that one a bit more. But hopefully this one recovers, but if it doesn't, hey ho, it was something I tried. I'm always about trying stuff and experiments, but yeah. So like I said, I'm actually transferring the wine that I made, which has been sitting in a carboy, 15 litre carboy, for approximately 6 months now, and get that transferred into its final resting place. I've got just under 15 litres in this carboy, and I'm going to I'm going to transfer it from this one to this one, but I have to clean this one first with a sterilizer. So I just use you can see that there. Not sponsored by it, it's just what I use. I've got the sterilizer and some warm water in here already. Give it a good clean, because obviously I spent and made sure everything was clean before I put it into the first carboy just to mature. It's probably been in there now 6 months, so this video is a long time coming, but it is what it is with winemaking. And like I say, this is the first time I've made wine, so if you've got any comments, feel free to leave it. just give that a good slosh around. And I'll get rid of that. One more rinse out just to make sure, a bit around the outside. Be good to hear if anybody else is making wine with their grapes that they're growing. What kind of grapes are you growing? If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I grow Pinot Noir grapes. But like I said, it's only the first year I've been doing it. Get rid of that. And what I'll do, I'll quickly give it that a rinse out with cold water. I'll bring you back. So now I've got to transfer the wine from here to here and then let it settle again for a few more months. I've got a strainer here, and this has got the piece on the bottom, so that'll go right in the bottom of the carboy, but it won't pick up any sediment, because you want to try and get as little sediment as possible when you're transferring into the second carboy. So let's give it a go. I'll bring you in so you can see that a bit better. So nicely coming out of there into there. This is Pinot Noir, so it's a lot lighter. It's not a dark red, but so that looks fine for now. So let's wait for that to complete. So that's finished now. Take out that. You can see there. And if I look, I don't know if I can show you. There you go. That's the bit. Actually, I'll take it outside there. Yeah. That'll be a technical term for what's left on the bottom, but that's the bit you don't want to transfer into your final resting carboy, which is here. And I'll tell you what, I'll pick it up so you can see the colour of it. There we go. So that's my first year's production of wine. Obviously not that much, but that was 2 3-year-old grapevines that didn't produce a massive amount of grapes, but I managed to get that much juice and turn it into wine. Obviously that now has to rest and wait for probably, well, you can drink it now, but I'll let that settle. I'll put it in a dark, cool place, not cold place, but and just let it settle for a few months, then we'll get to taste it. And I'll taste the first glass on here, so I hope you like that update, and if you can like and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Obviously I don't just, well, making wine's a smaller part of my channel, and it's something that takes months and months to give the updates on, but I hope you've enjoyed this. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I'll link them in over here, and you can see how I got to this stage in the first place, and hopefully if you're interested in making wine, you can give it a go. I live in the north of the UK, so if I can grow grapes, then it's pretty much possible for everyone to grow grapes, because hey, it's nice and sunny today, but I don't get sun all year round. So if you can like and subscribe, that'd be brilliant, and I'll catch you in the next one.